Hi everybody, it's Gaming Yuki once again giving you guys another tutorial emulation walkthrough, and today we're gonna get started with our Dolphin Emulator walkthroughs. And if you guys like tutorial videos like this one or other tutorials like this, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and enable your notifications. The Dolphin Emulator is responsible for allowing you to play Wii games and Nintendo GameCube games. As you guys can see here, I have a plenty games that I used to play on my channel, and I will go back to it as well on the other channels I have. So today we're going to take a look at the emulator itself, we're going to take a look at the overview, and what you need to learn about as we get ready for the series. So let's start off with the UI, the user interface. And as you guys can see, this is Dolphin number 5. And I'm going to show you guys the menus that we are going to go over. The file menu is very straightforward, including open, move from DVD backup. This is going to be for advanced users only though. And exit. Emulation is your pause, play, reset, toggle full screen, frame advance, take screenshot, load, and save state. Movie has something to do with in the actual game. For example, we can do a lag counter, frame counter. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Input display, system clock, and other options you can put in a board. You can also do a task input, which I'll show you guys later. Options go to configuration of audio, graphics, controller, hotkey, and free look. Tools, we have other tools from the emulation itself, including importing saves. We're going to take a look at that. Net play is where how you play with multiple players. Load GameCube main menu deals with the main menu of the GameCube and other stuff. We'll take a look at that later. For view, we have what you need to show in terms of the emulation itself, and help, how to get help for the emulation. Over here on the top middle here, we have the open, refresh, play, stop, full screen, screenshot, configuration, graphics, and controllers. So controllers deal with how you're going to input your controller. I have a PS4 controller here, which allows me to play with the controller. You can also use your keyboard if you would like to. And we're going to take a look at each setting. When you first get your emulation on the board, when you first download the emulator, which I'll put in the description below, you're going to get nothing. You're not going to see this stuff. What you want to do is you go to File, you want to go to Tools, and you want to go into, actually not Tools, but you want to go into File and then Open. Then you're going to find your game that you want to put in the board. Let's say Mario Party 4. And you're going to be able to do that. And you can download these ROMs on vim.net. So that is Mario Party 4. And as you guys can see, it is working as advertised. Alright, now that you've seen that, let's go ahead and take a look at other stuff that you need to know about. Before you get started, you can also set up a file path. Under Options, Configuration, you go to Paths, and you're going to see the game folders. I have it under Dolphin Games. You can look for Add, and anything else where you put your Dolphin games. You can also do such subfolders as well, if you have subfolders. But don't do that just in case of duplicates. Okay? So make sure you guys check this out as well. You can also do the other options like GameCube and all this good stuff. We're going to take a look at this stuff in our other tutorials for this particular emulator. So that is the overview of Dolphin Emulator. If you have any questions, please save them until the next part of the series. The next episode We are going to go over how to put in controller inputs and how to use them to your advantage. I'm going to use the PS4 as an example, the PS4 controller, as I use those on my channel. That's all for now. We'll see you guys in a bit.